Learn how to make an acrylic wall calendar using your Cricut and some vinyl. In Cricut Design Space, upload the Weekly Planner SVG. Click to add it to your canvas. Zoom out to see better, and then ungroup all the elements of the single design. To add your own last name, use the text tool. To match the font already in the design, download the free font Lily May and select it within Cricut Design Space. Resize to your preferences. Select the entire top half of the calendar design and click Attach in the bottom right-hand toolbar. Repeat with the bottom half of the design. Click the green Make It button to send the two sets to your machine. On the Prepare screen, be sure to toggle the mirror button under each mat in order to flip your design into the reverse. On the Make screen, select the vinyl you'll be using for your project. Load vinyl onto a mat or load Smart Vinyl directly into your Cricut machine. Then start your machine cutting out the calendar design. Once complete, carefully weed away the vinyl around the calendar design. Some details are small and intricate. If you have to recut any parts of the design, do so and weed away carefully. Remove the protective paper off the back of the acrylic board. Then use transfer tape to pick up the various calendar components of your design. Use a ruler to align the top half of your design. Only peeling away the paper once you're certain you have the placement exactly where you want it. Burnish with a scraper to ensure the vinyl is completely adhered to the board, and then carefully pull away the transfer tape. Continue building out your calendar design. Ideally, you will have been able to cut and weed and apply the two sides of the calendar all at once. But if needed, don't hesitate to build each component little by little to conserve vinyl or fix mistakes. Once the vinyl design is in place, flip the board over to the front and remove the front paper backing. This will reveal your completed vinyl calendar that's applied to the back of the board, but from the front. To hang your acrylic wall calendar, position the calendar on your wall and use a small level to ensure it's even. Then use a pencil to mark the hole placements on the wall. Use a drill and drill bit to insert wall anchors into your drywall, and then follow up with the mounting hardware provided with the acrylic board. Use the screws through the holes into the mounting hardware to secure your board in place. Give it a quick clean to remove all fingerprints and smudges. And then use a wet erase marker to add in your family details and meal plan for the week.